Hi.
So this is a pageant for kids. This is all about the festival. So she won the first princess. So what have she won here is also, she actually won a lot of prizes. Best in production number, Jollibee Choice Award, first princess of festival, and best in prom. And she got quite just a few amount of money. And then yeah, this one Papa Leon gave this to you, this one, because
I
you
have
won.
Jollibee.
Russian souvenir. You can open because
Yeah,
maybe she don't know what is this.
Oh, open, you open.
You open
You
first.
open. It's a
Mommy,
surprise. You open, anak, come on, you open.
later.
Later? No, you
You can open. You can see another.
Open.
Mo para makita dun sa camera.
Yeah, you open. Oh, come on.
You show it, Pamela. You can show it because maybe not easy to open.
Gusto niya.
Oh,
Wow. Wow.
you open.
Open another.
Okay again. Uy, open again. So much.
Open again.
So, Pamela.
Oh, not easy. Need to help.
Open again. Oh, let me help you.
Open again.
Oh,
Wow.
It's already last small.
oh, it's the smallest. What will you say to Papa Leon?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This name is in Russian language. It's doll Matryoshka name. Russian name Matryoshka. Only in Russia have.
Oh. This is pretty. It's quite hard to open and close. And here. There you go. What will you say to Papa Leon?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
So it's tricycle now.
Yeah. This is better when there is light. So
Mhm.
should we open the light?
Yes, it
You
have.
want to see?
Yes, I want to see. Oh,
Wait.
have electric
Ma,
fan
tell them
also.
to open the light here.
Wait lang, yung susi dito sa kwarto, sa kusina.
Shaira don't want in video. Shaira, why you don't want in video?
Ma'am, asan yung susi ng pasbunta mo?
Yan. 1, 2, 3. Say spasiba.
Спасибо.
Пожалуйста. На здоровье.
Paragsta.
It's like you are welcome in Russian language.
So you're gonna open the light or turn on the light.
Mhm.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
O, tingin ka daw.
No, same like your mother. Same. She also win before. Also model.
Yeah, we have removed the other flowers already. That's why it's not that
Mhm.
good. But a while ago, it's pretty like it's a garden
Yeah.
that it's roaming around. Leon said you're also beautiful. That's why you're spasiba.
На здоровье.
Can you help me?
What? Oh, okay, it's okay.